Hi, I would like to show you a bug in the displayed average value. What you see here is the current of a battery connected to a controller. It's in sleep, goes awake for a few seconds, then go back to sleep. The sleep is about 135 microamps. This is the current displayed measured value that I halted, but I would also like to see that when I analyze the graph. And when I go to the graph, I can put a cursor here and ask, give me the average value between these two cursors. And the average value it's giving is 283. That's totally wrong. And that needs to be fixed. The right value that should be displayed here is 135. So I guess they use some reduced resolution to make it quicker on the display. I don't know, but this is totally wrong. Also, the minimum and max value are fixed on this certain minimum resolution that they have in memory. But it would be much more practical if I can just go to the graph and get the average of the off state and get the average of the on state by just moving the cursor around. Then there is one small thing that I would also like to see changed, but that's not that important. You see here the red dots. That's because there is an overflow. If you go to the statistics, you see the average value of the total, all measurements. You see that there is an overflow. That's a good thing. But what they do, they ignore the overflow, so the point is not counted in the average value. And this is the value that the meter is calculating. And I would prefer if they actually replace the overflow with the maximum range.